Pay for all sorts of things, the naming rights, you know, stadiums and things like that. But one company has taken the practice to a whole new level. They've paid to name a dog.
Hard to believe. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russo shows us why a Taylor business believes the investment is worth every single penny. Check it out.
In the city of Taylor, you see the name Atlas in many places, on the company's headquarters where hundreds work, at this park, and now in an unusual place, on a dog. But as you can see, he isn't just any dog.
I trust him 100% with my life, for sure.
He is Taylor police officer Rick Barnowski's partner, brought to the U.S. several months ago from Germany.
When we got him, he didn't know how to sit, he didn't know anything. So to go from not knowing anything to what he knows now is very impressive.
After 3 months of intensive training, this canine officer knows how to search for drugs, protect police from attack, and track down suspects. But this dog and his training, expensive. The Taylor Police Department knew it couldn't afford it, but for an idea. Chief Mary Sklobasi and Mayor Rick Sollers asked Atlas Oil to buy the rights to name the dog.
This was one way for us to kind of express our gratitude for how we've been treated here in the city of Taylor, which has been a fantastic experience for us.
Atlas has always been a great community partner, and quite frankly, I thought Atlas would make a great name for a canine dog.
After all, Atlas was a mythical Greek god who held up the pillars of the universe and inspired the name for books that helped people find what they were looking for. And that's exactly what this dog aims to help police do.
It's nice having a partner that will back you up no matter what.
In Taylor, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Well, once you hear the story, then you understand.